Looking for the ultimate pre-built gaming PC that's ready to crush any game straight out of the box? In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best pre-built gaming PCs you can buy right now. Whether you're after smooth 4K gaming, competitive esports performance, or just a plug-and-play powerhouse, we've got you covered. Make sure to check out the product links in the description below for the latest prices and deals. Let's dive in. 5. iBUYPOWER Y40 Pro. Level up your setup with the iBUYPOWER Y40 BA9N5D7T01, a powerhouse pre-built gaming PC designed for gamers, creators, and streamers who want a seamless upgrade. Engineered with professionally selected components, this desktop delivers top-tier performance with the AMD Ryzen 9 7900X processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 Ti 16GB graphics card, ensuring smooth gameplay, fast rendering, and high-quality streaming. With a 2TB NVMe SSD, you'll experience lightning-fast load times and plenty of space for games, projects, and media, while the 32GB DDR5 RGB RAM makes multitasking effortless. Fully equipped with Wi-Fi connectivity and Windows 11 Home, you can dive straight into your gaming or editing sessions. The package also includes an iBUYPOWER RGB keyboard and mouse to enhance your setup's aesthetic. Keeping performance cool and quiet, the system features the 2024 iBUYPOWER AW4 240mm liquid CPU cooler and RGB fans, all housed in the sleek HYTE Y40 Pro black case, making it both a performance beast and a visual centerpiece for any desk. 4. HOENGAGER Ocean of Stars Gaming PC. This high-performance gaming PC is built to deliver power, speed, and style, making it the ultimate choice for serious gamers and creators. Featuring the AMD Ryzen 7 7800X3D from the Ryzen 7000 series Zen 4 lineup, with 8 cores running at 4.2 GHz, it ensures lightning-fast processing for both gaming and multitasking. Equipped with dual storage, 1TB PCIe SSD and 1TB SATA SSD, you'll enjoy blazing load times and ample space for all your games and media, up to 30x faster than traditional hard drives. The system is powered by a GeForce RTX 5070 12GB graphics card in sleek white, paired with 32GB DDR5 6000 MHz gaming memory, guaranteeing ultra-smooth gameplay and stunning visuals. Connectivity is seamless with 802.11 AC Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, while multiple outputs, including HDMI and DisplayPort, make it versatile for any setup. An 850-watt power supply keeps everything running efficiently, supported by a 240 AIO liquid cooler for maximum airflow. Housed in a stylish tempered glass tower with custom RGB lighting, this PC not only performs, but also looks incredible. Running Windows 11 Pro 64-bit, it's fully optimized to handle modern titles like Call of Duty Warzone, Escape from Tarkov, Battlefield, and League of Legends, empowering gamers to dominate matches, create high-quality content, and take their performance to the next level. 3. Velztorm LCD Praetix. The 14th Gen Intel Core i9-14900K gaming and productivity powerhouse comes with a base clock speed of 2.4 GHz and can turbo boost up to 6.0 GHz, supported by a 36MB cache, 24 cores, and 32 threads for extreme multitasking performance. Paired with the latest GeForce RTX 5070 featuring 12GB GDDR7 VRAM, PCIe 5.0 support, a 2.51 GHz boost clock, and 6144 CUDA cores, this system delivers lightning-fast graphics and smooth gameplay with 672 GB per sec memory bandwidth. It is equipped with 32GB DDR5 DIMM RAM for ultra-fast responsiveness and 2TB PCIe NVMe SSD storage for blazing load times and ample space. Connectivity is seamless with 802.11ab/AX Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, RJ45 Ethernet, multiple USB ports including USB 3. Type-C, HDMI DisplayPort, and a convenient headphone-microphone combo jack. The system is powered by a robust 1000-watt PSU with RGB lighting and a 360mm AIO liquid cooler in white, ensuring efficiency and style. Preloaded with Windows 11 Home and backed by a 1-year manufacturer warranty from Microelectronics 2, professionally upgraded, this PC is designed for enthusiasts who demand top-tier performance and reliability. 2. Empowered PC Panorama XL. The Panorama XL gaming PC is engineered for elite performance, combining cutting-edge hardware with sleek design to deliver the ultimate gaming and content creation experience. Powered by the Intel Core i9-14900KF processor with 24 cores and 32 threads, this powerhouse reaches speeds up to 6.0 GHz max boost clock speed, making it perfect for high-intensity gaming and professional workloads. Paired with a 2TB PCIe NVMe Gen 4 M.2 SSD, you'll enjoy blazing fast boot times and data transfers up to 30x faster than traditional hard drives. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 with 16GB GDDR7 ensures smooth, power-efficient graphics performance, while 64GB of DDR5 5600 MHz RAM provides seamless multitasking, whether you're streaming, editing, or gaming. Housed in the Panorama XL case with tempered glass panels for a panoramic view, this system stays cool under pressure with 10 ARGB PWM fans offering powerful airflow and dynamic speed control. Running on Windows 11 Pro x64, it comes free of bloatware and includes a rainbow backlit USB keyboard and LED mouse. With 1x HDMI and 1x DisplayPort guaranteed, plus additional ports that may vary, this PC is VR ready and capable of running today's top titles at ultra settings with 100 plus FPS at 1080p Full HD. Assembled in the USA, rigorously stress tested, and backed by lifetime technical support and a 3-year limited hardware warranty, the Panorama XL is the best choice for gamers, streamers, and creators who demand power, speed, and reliability. 1. Dell Alienware Aurora R16. The moment I hit power, I felt the R16 difference. The Intel Ultra 9 285K wasn't just faster, it was smarter. Apps snapped open, background tasks disappeared, and multitasking ran smoother than on my i9-14900KF build. With more cache, better thermal control, and built-in AI, it works with me, not just for me. I thought RTX 4090 was the peak, until I met the 5080. Ray tracing looked steadier, DLSS 4 sharper, and lighting transitions eerily lifelike. The upgrade wasn't about frame count, it was about immersion, like stepping beyond Ultra. No ceilings here. 64GB DDR5, 8TB SSD, and dual PCIe Gen 5 chew-through 4K editing, live streams, and Unreal Engine builds effortlessly. With Wi-Fi 7 and 2.5GHz Ethernet, this rig is built for the next 5 years, not just this one. Ports, problem solved. Front and rear USB-C, killer 2.5GBps Ethernet, and 10 plus I/O slots let me hook up monitor, mic, camera, and SSD dock. Plug and play, no compromises. And with a massive 76MB cache plus NPU acceleration, AI workflows and real-time multitasking feel effortless, making my old i9 and 14900KF system seem one-dimensional in comparison. Thanks for watching our roundup of the top 5 best pre-built gaming PCs. Whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore enthusiast, there's a perfect setup out there to match your needs and budget. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our future reviews. All the product links we mentioned are listed down below in the description, so check them out if you're ready to upgrade your gaming rig. Drop a comment and let us know which PC caught your eye, or if you'd like us to review a specific model in the future. Until next time, game on, and we'll see you in the next video.